Greetings, good afternoon. A lot of you have been asking why I haven't been posting my usual periscopes of construction, and so I thought I would explain a little bit. This year we're renovating our basement, and as soon as I pulled the wireless network out of the ceiling, we have no connectivity down here. So rather than try to shoot enough signal down here to periscope, I thought I would play around with our new 3D or 360-degree video camera and give you guys a walkthrough of our construction area. We've been constructing for about a month now, a little bit over that. And so for most of you who have been through construction procedures before, what you'll notice is that we have a lot left to go. For students, we are in the location of the old bookstore. You can still see the sign that says bookstore, and I'll try and get used to not spinning the camera around since you guys are seeing all of it. This is going to be the new science classroom. It's a biology classroom, and so what you'll notice is that all the science classrooms will start to look like the rest of the classrooms in the building. So you'll all have click shares, multi-screens, the things that you're used to. One of the advantages of being under construction is the ability to walk through walls. So we're going to step over here. Many of the freshmen will notice this area because this is kind of the hangout spot for some of our freshmen, and it is way stripped bare right now, but I can give you a peek inside and let you see what some of the labs look like. You'll notice that we're not moving a lot of the tables around. We're planning on keeping a lot of the existing furniture in the labs because frankly this stuff is really solid, but you'll be getting new lights, new flooring, new technology in all the labs as well. We've got some really cool things planned for some of the technology. We're hoping it works out. Another area that you'll notice some significant changes in as we walk into the teacher's office area, you'll notice that we're widening it and taking out some of the walls in order to give the teachers and the students more space to collaborate. And then what you'll recognize is what used to be the computer science lab will now be a new biology lab. And so we've torn out the walls that used to house the server room. In fact, you can still see some of the electrical boxes and a couple of the wires as we've started rewiring. And for those of you who did not hear about some of our adventures, we've cut some wires, and we had just a small flood, but you can't really tell any of that now, so everything is good. Just to give you a peek of some of the other rooms, just to give you an idea of what the rooms are looking like right now. You'll notice we emptied a lot of cabinets, and we've covered cabinets up. A lot of the work that we're doing now has to do with rerouting HVAC, making sure that the air and the heat all work, and then we're doing a complete rewire of the entire network down here, trying to bring you faster and more reliable internet for your devices. And as we go on down, you'll see that we've pulled almost all of the ceiling tiles out. This is new ceilings and new lights through the entire hallway. In fact, what we're passing right now are pallets and pallets of lights, fixtures just waiting to go into classrooms and the hallways as soon as the ceiling grid goes up. So my hope is that on Fridays I'll be bringing you through each of these areas, show you the progress that we're making as we start to get lights installed, ceiling grids up, and start to bring the network online. As soon as I've got the network live, I'll start doing some Friday periscoping. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and add comments down below. I'll be keeping an eye on the feed. And thank you very much for watching our first 360.